Okay, in today's GMC Acadia video, we're going to talk about how to jump start the GMC Acadia. It's not as simple as you would think, because you open the hood, as Vanna will show us, and there's no battery. We of course learned in prior videos that the battery is in the back seat. So in order to jump start the car, you need to find the positive terminal, point out the positive terminal, and open that little cover. And this is on the passenger side left by the firewall. As you can see, the terminals are here on the passenger left of the vehicle, and there's the ground on the firewall and the positive terminal right there, and right between it is the fuse box. So I hope this helps you if you ever have to jump start your GMC. I've only had to do it once, and that was the day the battery went completely dead on me. Went from good to bad over lunch, and I had to jump start it, and then I had to go buy a battery, which I have other videos on how to replace the battery. It's underneath the passenger back seat, and so you can check that one out. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your mom. Okay, today